Hey guys, today we're going to know about Claude's knowledge cutoff and web search. If you're using Claude AI and now you want to know about Claude's knowledge cutoff or web search, so let's start this. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just simply go to Claude AI. You just have to make sure that you're logged into your Claude AI account. Now, once you are here, you have two options. The very first option is you have to enable web search and you have to ask anything which you want. Or the second is you have to disable web search and ask something about Claude's knowledge. So now the very first thing, let's check Claude's knowledge cutoff. So here you can see that Claude AI knowledge cutoff varies depending on the specific model you're using. So we have different models in Claude AI. You can switch them between from here. So if you want to know about your own model, so let's say I want to select Sonnet 4.6 from here, and now let's check. Here's the Sonnet 4.6. It's Claude Sonnet 4.6, which is up to August 2025. So it means that this model have knowledge of almost August 2025. After that, Claude's knowledge has been cut off. So if you want to ask something about real time or about any internet search, so Claude will not give you any specific response if you have disabled web search. But if you have enabled web search from here and you want to ask anything about live net search, so it will give you answer. So let me just show you that. So let's say I have asked a simple question, which party is now living in Pakistan. So you just have to click on the send option to submit your question. Now our website is disabled. So let's see what will it give us response. So here you can see as of knowledge cut off in August 2025, the Pakistan Muslim League PM League Nawaz is leading. So you can see that it has only knowledge of August 2025. After that, its knowledge was cut off. So you just have to enable the website from here. Once I've enabled the website, I'm gonna copy this. Now paste it here, and I'm going to ask the same question with enabled web search. So just click on the submit option. So it will give you the real-time web search result. As you can see, it's searching from web. So after searching the web, it will give you the real-time answer here. So this is the difference between Claude AI on knowledge and the web search. So it means if you have enabled the web search, you can use a live Claude's knowledge. So it means that your Claude knowledge isn't cut off if you have enabled the website from here. But if you have disabled website, so you might get only the information about almost August 25 or the related model from here. So this is the difference of Claude knowledge cutoff and web search. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.